OpenAI is rolling out a new ChatGPT feature called Library that keeps uploaded files available for future use. While that certainly adds greater convenience, it also raises security questions that we'll explore as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your home for the latest tech news. OpenAI's new library gives users one place to find files they've uploaded or created in ChatGPT. That includes things like documents, spreadsheets, presentations, PDFs, and images, so they can be pulled into future chats instead of being uploaded every single time. On the surface, that can make for a pretty useful update. It can make ChatGPT more practical for repeat work, like reviewing the same document more than once, reusing a spreadsheet, or keeping reference files close by when a project stretches over multiple chats. Right now, the library feature is rolling out to ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Business users. You can access the function in the app's left-hand sidebar. From there, you can browse saved files, search for them later, and add them back into a chat using the Add from Library option. Now, while some people have already dived into this head first, uncovering new ways to streamline their workflows, others are left feeling hesitant knowing ChatGPT could be saving information that they want to keep private. In turn, it's fair to want some control over what is being stored, how long it stays there, and whether your team should be using it for certain kinds of information in the first place. OpenAI followed up to address some of those concerns, with a few key points to note about the new feature. First, files uploaded in regular chats are saved to the library until they are manually deleted. Second, deleting the chat doesn't delete the file from the library. Instead, you have to manually open the library window and select which files to remove. And finally, OpenAI says files are scheduled for permanent deletion 30 days after they're trashed, unless they're marked accordingly. And while there aren't a whole lot of settings you can tweak for this specific function, it's important to note that OpenAI continues to reiterate that you can opt out of agreeing to train their AI models with your data. For personal Plus and Pro accounts, it's as easy as flipping a switch. Just click your profile icon in the bottom left, select Settings, hit Data Controls, and turn off Improve Model for Everyone. On the other hand, for those running on a ChatGPT business profile, that setting is turned off by default, so no changes are required. This means that if your organization is using a bunch of personal ChatGPT accounts instead of a business level plan, it's time to take a closer look at how files are uploaded and sensitive information is being handled. AI still needs guardrails, and clear workplace policies can help reduce unnecessary risk. That's where an IT partner can help. Rocket IT works with organizations to evaluate new technology, review security settings, build practical usage policies, and make sure teams are using new tools without creating unnecessary risk. For help, simply reach out using the link in this video's description. To stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.